Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how to remove the door handle and door lock from a Peugeot 307. So first you need to remove the door panel. If you want to see how to remove the door panel, please check out my video on how to do that. So to remove the lock, all you need to do is unbolt those two 10 nuts and undo those 3 T30 screws. If you want to disassemble the front door locks, it's the same principle as the rear one. You can see you have two bolts. This time there's a larger gap, but you can see we still have those 3 T30 screws. We undo the 10 millimeter nuts. You can see what it holds is the plastic that holds the lock here, so you won't move there, and it's like an anti-theft thing. And now let's do the bolts. After we undo the bolt, you can see the lock is loose, but the only thing that holds him is the harness. You can see the harness here. To undo the harness, all you need to do is remove this metal rod with a flat screwdriver, and then you can release it from the harness. After we remove the metal rod that holds the harness, that's it. And another difference between the rear and the front lock is that you need to release the lock from the connection to the door handle, so you need to push hard towards you. You can see this is the pin that we released, and the harness connection is different. You need to, this pin, this one you need to push him up and then push the harness out. This is the difference, and this is how you disassemble the locks. So this is the door handle, this is the base. All we need to do to undo the door handle is to remove the white plastic towards us. You can see you can use this plastic and move it towards us and start open the door, so you can see this part won't hold the white part. So you need to remove the white plastic towards you and start to open the door. As you can see, the end of the door handle is not holding the white plastic anymore, and now you can see we need to release this part, but you see this plastic trim is in the way. So all you need to do is take a flat screwdriver and put it towards here, you can see, and need to release the other two pins. Let me show you. You can see here we have the pin that we released and the other two small pins that were here. And now we can remove the door handle. As you can see, here we're releasing the door handle. You need to look how much further you need to open it so it will get out, and this is it. This is how you remove the door handle. You can see the base is still in the door. If you want to undo it, you need to release 3 nits with a driller, and that's it, guys. If you need more parts for a Peugeot 307, we ship worldwide. You can contact us with the email below. If the video was helpful, please give us a thumbs up, and if you want to see more videos on how to undo parts from your Peugeot, please subscribe to our channel. Thank you very much.